How y'all doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to program your dip switch genie remote. This one's a chamber, but it's also a dip switch. I did take a picture of my security code, but that's just what I set it to. But look. Push button, nothing happens. I'm trying to get as many videos of this thing as I possibly could, but I'm actually gonna unwind this light bulb a bit so I can have more room to work. You know, so that's okay. Take this out. So I got some more room to work. So let's just say I want my security code to be, I'm gonna do it with my hand because it's better. Alright, you see that? Let's say I want my security code to be that. I'm just gonna change it so it's a bit easier. Put these back. Try to strip myself under this car so I don't fall. Put these back actually. Give me a second. Sorry guys. I want to do it so it's easier for me to do. Let's just say like up. So one up. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So next thing you guys want to do is pull off this light cover. Then it reveals the dip switches. Set my phone right here. Set my phone up. But how much? Alright, so you're gonna need like this. You could use this as well to do the code. So I'll do that real quick. So I can talk to you guys while I do it. So let's just change this to the code I set it to. If I can move it. This job's really hard, kind of. Just trying to get these switches to move. Come on, you. This bottom one does not want to move. Okay, there. And there's the top one. Okay. Alright, so I just changed the dip switch. I'm going to put the light bulb back on real quick. A lot of screwing to do. Alright, so I set the new security code. Let's get off of this car. Get off the car, close the door, go outside the garage, and just try to give her a run. Yeah, it still works. Alright, see if it'll work. And no, it looks like we have an issue here. Shoot. Alright, let's go see if figure out what this is. What the issue is. I'm actually gonna open the door fully. We're trying to get this opener to burn out right now, so it's been used a lot more recently, so let's cover off, and I think I found the issue already, straight away. This switch right here is bumped up. Let's put this down. So let me put it down, thank you. Very nice of you, Mr. Switch. Okay, so now let's give this a shot. If it does not work, then I have to reprogram it. And it does not seem to want to work. Let's figure out what the issue is. Let's see. Alright, let's get back one more switch. Sorry guys, I just changed the other switch. Now let's change that on the opener. As you see, my dad's car is pretty nice. 2019. Okay. So now I just changed the switch. Now it works. That's how I program it. Put it in the meantime. Run it down and then back up. But that's it. I'm actually gonna keep it up I'm not gonna keep it up. It will let me open. This thing does not have a good signal, but that's how you program it. Okay, bye guys.